So we're talking about the supervisor of Michael Proctor's cross-examination, and in short, Alan Jackson destroyed this guy. There's a ton to go through, and he didn't finish his cross. I'll try to be as brief and as I can be while getting through the important parts. The witness came across to me as though he were afraid of Alan Jackson. He was incredibly defensive, incredibly argumentative about semantics, just not wanting to admit to anything, no matter how obvious it was, and no matter how stupid the denial made him look. I mean, it started with him refusing to acknowledge Michael Proctor was the lead investigator, and refusing to acknowledge Michael Proctor even had a, quote, major role in the investigation, because he said major meant more than 51% of all activity, which is just silly. He insisted that the entire investigation was done with honor, integrity, and I forget the last word he used, but he kept talking about how it was done with honor and integrity over and over and over. And Alan Jackson started asking then, would you say Michael Proctor conducted the investigation with honor and integrity and free from bias? That was the other one. And he would not say Michael Proctor did any of those things. He kept insisting the investigation was done with honor and integrity. And eventually, when Alan Jackson got this guy to actually answer the question about Michael Proctor, he said Michael Proctor conducted this investigation with integrity. He couldn't bring himself to say with honor, because clearly it wasn't. Somehow he still said integrity, which makes him look stupid. At least at this point, I think the appearance and argumentativeness of this witness, the defensiveness, has been the biggest part of the cross. He looks shady, he looks dumb. Alan Jackson looks awesome. I think we'll probably have more substantive cross-examination tomorrow about specific facts. I'm really looking forward to more of this.